For placing an order online, you can directly visit the website matkatus.com. To your left corner you will find the menu icon. Click on to get the categories of the product, and the drop-down will display the subcategories of that particular products. Click the drop-down next to the subcategories to explore further divisions of the products. You can select any products that you wish to order. The entire product details will be displayed. To check for COD availability, you can apply your PIN code, and if you need fall and pico to be done for sari, then you can click on the checkbox. In case of fabrics, you can increase or decrease the quantity by using the plus or minus symbols. Then click on Add to Bag icon. To continue shopping, you can click cross button and add more products. Or else you can add a gift box or notes if needed, and can click on the checkout icon. Now you can fill the shipping details. If you have gift card or coupon code, apply here to avail discount, and finally you can continue selecting the payment option to complete your order. If you wish to pay via cards, UPI, net banking, wallets, click on to raise a pay option and you will be directed to next page where you can select your preferred payment mode. You can also choose PayU India to pay via cards, UPI, net banking or wallets. If you want to make the payment at the time of delivery, you can choose cash on delivery option for PIN codes within India. If you wish to do a bank deposit, choose this option, and the bank details will be present on the order confirmation page. You can also pay through GPay or Paytm to this number, which will be shared at order confirmation page once the order is placed. We also have a PayPal option for orders received outside India, for which we will share the PayPal invoice within 24 hours of placing the order. Once you're done selecting the appropriate payment option, you can hit on the complete order icon for successfully placing your order. You will receive the order confirmation via mail. You will also receive the WhatsApp confirmation message for COD orders. Once you receive the package, a review mail will be sent from us, where if you share the image of yours flaunting with the Matkatus products, you might get a surprise coupon code. For any further clarifications, feel free to call or WhatsApp us. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Hope you are ready to shop. Thank you.